Signposting is critical, and this is a massive mistake that so many senior leaders make, is they forget to signpost. And what I mean by that specifically is, rather than a whole load of content or a story or a range of different pieces of information, the signposting does this. It takes your audience by the hand and it leads them step by step through what you want to share with them. So the first signpost would be, let me tell you about the challenges that we are facing when it comes to delivering against this project. So the let me tell you about the challenges that we are facing is the first signpost. The second signpost is, what are we going to do in response to those challenges? Well, what we're going to do is X, Y, Z. So the second signpost is that. And then finally, the last signpost is, so what results are we aiming to achieve having delivered against this project? So again, there's a signpost. What leaders miss out on is the signposting. They share the information, but the signposting isn't there. So the audience doesn't know at what stage of communication the leader is at, or what they're supposed to do with that information when they're hearing it.